Hi there, my name is John Garrett Hoare. Today, I want to let you in on a great opportunity to learn how to become a power affiliate, for free. What does this mean? It means that you're able to go out there, and use the methods that highly successful affiliate marketers used, to sell other people's product, and make huge affiliate commission, even while you're asleep. Easy money, and you will get paid directly to your PayPal account by selling other people's products, and you don't even have to have your own products, and there are no overheads. And you know what the best part is? You don't even have to put yourself on camera, if you don't want to. In the Affiliate Accelerator Bundle program, you will be getting free training from two of the top internet marketing gurus. Nicely and Perry Belcher will walk you through the whole entire process in a series of live workshops. They're going to teach you how to be power affiliate, where you will learn how to get your hands on a goldmine of products that are high in demand and deploying the secret methods and techniques taught in the Affiliate Accelerator Bundle Bot Camp to promote these high-demand affiliate products before anyone else. You will also learn how to get your affiliate request approved by big product vendors and JV Manager without any hassle. What you'll get with this opportunity is simply incredible, and it doesn't stop here. They even pave the way for you to get started. First thing, they're going to approve you to go out there and promote their high-quality launches. Also, they're going to give you all of the images, all of the videos, all of the posts, and they're going to teach you how to post on your Facebook wall to get maximum results. They will share all these assets to you for free. If you join the program now, you will be approved to promote their forthcoming launch called Mint Bird. With that being said, let's watch a short demo on Mint Bird. Absolutely incredible, right? There are more goodies for you. What if I also told you that you will also get access to simple audio products where you can learn how to create simple audio products that you can give away, you can sell, or you can even bundle with your offers. There is also a special bonus coming out soon that is called 2-minute funnels. You will get this software as a bonus if you join this program. Affiliate marketers, even the experienced ones, are paying a few $1,000s to get onto such program, which you will be getting for free when you sign up. There is no catch. It is completely free. There is nothing to buy, and it is not an MLM scheme. This is a rare opportunity for you to join a program that will accelerate your career in affiliate marketing and potentially can set you up on a lifestyle and financial freedom that is only attainable by the most successful affiliate marketers. Hope you're excited with this opportunity. All you got to do is click the link down below. Don't wait, and get yourself registered now using the link below this video. This is the end of my presentation on the opportunity to join this amazing quality power affiliate free training. I will be giving you a review on Mint Bird in my next video, so watch the space and I will talk to you soon. Take care.